Clearwater. It's from the Brotherhood of the Wolves. Mark Anthony Lalacan as Queen Estera. One of the senior wolves. Jeffrey Navarrete as Embricol. Embricol is one of Jacob's best friends. And now, the hero of the story Twilight, King Osorio as Edward Cullen. Edward Cullen is a vampire that is out with the one. Jason Eason as Raoul. Raoul is the brother of Edward. Then Nathaniel Paredes as Alex. A vampire. And now, Ken Ordinario as Dr. Colin. Dr. Colin is Dr. Colin is one of the greatest doctors in the world right now. And now, oh my God! Go back there! Go back! I'm telling you to go there! Wait! Guys! Settle down, guys! Settle down! You will introduce her or him na pala. Hoy, go there! We're not get introduced. Hey, Maho! Cyber Demar! As Bella Swan! Bella Swan! Hoy! Malit lang! Bella Swan is the hero of Twilight! And now, again, Twilight! Let's give them a round of applause!
Naubos na yata yung battery. Use one mic na lang muna.
Another group from the world of mutant. Let's welcome the Marvel Comics X-Men version 2. For the first performer, let's welcome Jezebel Balak for Three Story. Osborn is one of the most powerful mutants on Earth and has demonstrated a plethora of abilities, most of which are pieces of her power to manipulate the weather. Next, Edward Espinas portraying Mystique, the net version. As we are supervillain, found their own brotherhood of mutants and assassinating several important people involved in mutant affairs. The strong Wolverine will be defeated, played by Joshua Mercado. Wolverine's powers set makes him a unique protagonist. In addition to his unbreakable adamantium, bones, and claws, he possesses an unstoppable healing factor in hyper-keen senses. Next is Dixie Goya portraying Anna. She later becomes a major antagonist for the New Mutants. She is considered to be the sexiest X-Men. She may also be the team's most skilled telepath. Next is Karma, played by Raiza Belegorio. She's a mutant who has the psionic ability to project psionic energy surge that overwhelms her victim.
Wala silang dugdug.
Next, National Kabatay representing Jubilee. Jubilation or Jubilee is a fictional character. A mutant Jubilee had a superhuman power to generate sparkles out of her hands, consisting of explosive plasma. Next is Magic, played by Ivy Jane Kuyunan, the younger sister of Colossus. Her name is Eliana Rasputin. a mutant teleporter, sorceress, and former ruler of Limbo, who is currently a member of Cyclops' team of Rebel Mutants.
Next, Patricia Gabat, also known as the Lumot Girl, or Polaris, also called as Dorothy, the mutant mistress of magnetism. Polaris is the daughter of Magneto and sister to Quicksilver and the Scarlet Witch.
The last but not the least is a Shadow Cat played by Minerva Efrabasso, or Kitty Pryde. A mutant Pryde possesses a freezing ability that allows certain objects or people with which she is in contact to become intangible. This power also disrupts any electrical field that passes through and lets her isolate levitation.
Yung mga numbers.
Once again, the X-Men Captors version 2. Let's give them a round of applause.
Wala nga yung mga numbers kanina, gugulo eh.
One more.
I think this is the last group of victory. No, we have a last one pa pala document. This group is inspired by the movie Narnia, and the movie is inspired by the book Narnia. Obviously. Now, Miss Julina Castle as Ice Queen. Wait. Ay, sorry po, wait lang. Sorry po. Ice Queen, basta. She is an Ice Queen. She is an Ice Queen. Alison Petalmero. Alison Petalmero is a brave, loyal, and strong warrior of Narnia. Ang Narnia's knight. Abigail Dago as Lucy. Lucy is the youngest, and and the glistening Queen Lucy. Almira Kahane as a warrior, another loyal and brave, strong warrior of Narnia. Catherine Sarah as Susan. Susan is the second eldest and the region's southern sun queen. Susan is the most gentle of them all. Siblings. Kevin Beza as Edmund.